Bland AI versus Synthflow AI. So Bland AI is a platform for making ultra-realistic AI phone calls and voice agents that can handle outbound and inbound calls. So for the pros, it is very customizable and programmable. It is a strong infrastructure claimed with a low latency. It has a high realism for good voices that sound human and multilingual support, and it's good for the large scale. The cons is though, there are some price and cost structures, some latency or responsiveness issues, and the setup can be heavy and more engineering is required, and some users report the voice bots still sound robotic. Now Synflow, on the other hand, is another AI voice agent platform, offering enterprise voice agents with emphasis on the ease of deployment. Now for the pros, they have low latency in many cases. They have more features included in the base pricing. There's no code or visual flow builder, and it's good for global and multilingual applications. The cons is though, they have a possibly higher cost for high usage, and they may have limitations when dealing with a highly complex dialog flows. And as when an AI voice, it occasionally sound robotic. So if your priority is enterprise level control, custom logic, then choose Bland AI. But if you want something faster to deploy and more out of the box, then choose Synflow AI.